Well, 14Juliet had a number 3 cylinder fail. We put one cylinder, we started having a problem with another, so we elected just to do a complete top end. So I'm headed to Aircraft Spruce, IFR in the SR-22. I'm landing at Falcon Field. They actually have a shuttle there. I'm gonna go in, get 3 brand new cylinders, take those cylinders over to Mr. Littlefield in Center, Alabama, and we gotta get 14Juliet in the air again. We made it to Falcon Field. Aircraft Spruce is sending us a shuttle. They're on the way now. Got the cylinders, got some coffee, we got a Cirrus. Let's head to Center.
That means something got on top of them things.
Oh, because they're smashed.
See all that pinion and...
Yep. Thanks to Mr. Littlefield and some new cylinders from Aircraft Spruce, 14Juliet is ready for some more flight time.